When a student requests to take an exam with the DAC, they submit an exam request through our AIM system. Then, our testing coordinators will review the request and either approve or deny it. Once an exam request has been approved, you, as the instructor, will receive an email with the subject line, DAC Testing Request Approved. This email contains both the details of the exam request and the link that will allow you to specify the exam instructions. You can also upload the exam files to our secure portal from this link. At the bottom of this email, you'll find a link labeled Upload Exam. By following this link, you can specify both the exam instructions for this request and upload your exam. You can either click the Upload Exam link or copy and paste the web address into your browser. First, you will be required to sign in with your MTSU credentials. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the exam data page. From here, you will again see information about the exam, including the course information, exam type, exam date, time, and standard length of the exam. You will also see an option to log into the instructor portal. If you have multiple exams that you need to specify exam instructions and upload exams for, we recommend using this option to streamline the process and save time. For information on how to use the instructor portal, please skip to 4:14 in the video. You will also see an option to upload exam files. You can upload your files when you specify exam instructions or at a later time. Alternatively, you can bring a physical copy of your exam to the DAC in the KUC, room 107. Clicking on this option will open up a new page where you can choose what file to upload and also give this file a title. We accept a variety of file formats. However, the DAC does prefer that the exam be in Word or PDF format. Click the Upload File button once you have finished. You are also able to upload multiple exam files or supporting files as needed. When you upload a file for an exam, you will receive an email confirmation of what you just uploaded. Next, you can specify the exam instructions. To specify the exam instructions, you will answer 6 questions. First, select how you would like your exam returned. Second, please specify a phone number at which you can be reached during an exam. Third, please specify any materials a student needs to complete an exam. Fourth, please specify any materials a student is allowed to use during an exam. If you select Other, you will be required to specify the materials in the box provided. Fifth, please specify whether you have already provided the DAC with the exam. Sixth, please specify whether the exam is on D2L or another online platform. If the exam requires any login and/or password information, please specify them in the provided box. After answering all 6 questions, you can click the Update Exam Instruction button at the bottom of the page. At this point, you have finished specifying the exam instructions. Whether you choose to upload the exam file or not, you will receive a reminder email 3 business days before the scheduled exam with the same Upload Exam link. At that time, you can then upload the exam or bring a physical copy to the DAC if you have not already done so. To use the instructor portal, all you need to do is click on the Login as Instructor button. Next, click on the Continue to View Student Accommodations button after reviewing the FERPA statement. If you have multiple students taking the same exam and you want to upload that same exam file for all of those students, you can check the box to the left of each applicable exam. Then, you will scroll down and choose your exam file and give it a title or a note. Then click the Upload File button. As you can see, the same file has now been uploaded to both exam requests. Exam instructions for your students' exam requests can be set by clicking on the Specify Instructions by Student button, all without using the link in the approval notification email. You will still need to answer the same 6 questions as mentioned previously. Additionally, you are able to review the exam instructions at any time up until the start of the exam. However, if you do choose to modify the exam instructions within 3 business days of the exam date, please contact the DAC to let us know. If you have any questions or concerns about this new process, please contact us.